Party hard!
Welcome to my bedroom. Don't think that me letting you in here is an invitation for any funny stuff. I mean, not that I have a problem with funny stuff. Especially not if you really like the person. But that isn't what I wanted to talk about. Today is, as they say in Spain, my cumpleaños. That's right, my birthday. I'm 18 today. These are my girls on the San Romero cheer squad. We've gone to the Nationals 3 years in a row. But we haven't won yet. Ugh. To keep my energy up, I eat lollipops. I know what you're thinking. I'm getting so fat, but they're so yum. This is my family. My older sister Cordelia won a gold medal in riflery last year, and she has a lot of secret meetings with guys I think are college scouts. My little sister Rosalind just got her license, which makes me kind of think the DMV are idiots. My girlfriends say my dad is a total dilf, but try as they might, they could never come between him and my mom. She is so cool. It's because of her, my sisters and I all wear our vaginas proudly. God, she and my dad love each other so much. Speaking of true love, this is my boyfriend, Nick. It F's me up how much I really like him. My family's throwing me a birthday party after school. Nick is totally freaked out having to meet my family for the first time. But I'm even more freaked out for him to find out about my family. Because even though they're the most amazing ever, some of our traditions are a little unusual. Nick's already so sweet to never complain about my ginormous fat butt. If he finds out I'm the #1 world's biggest weirdo, he might not stick around. I'd be so sad. I think I'd seriously cry forever. Oh no! I'm totally late! I was supposed to meet him before school. I'm so lame. Ugh. I hope Nick isn't mad. That's about the worst thing that could ever happen! Seriously? Dude. The hell? And on my birthday, too! Like I'm not already late enough! Gross! Stupid! Undead douchebags! This is so irritating! zombies. It sucks when things explode. I need to find Nick. Wow. How to cook zombies? Awesome! Sweet!
Zombies do poop. Be safe or be sorry.
Hold it right there! You zombie jerks! I'll help you!
Awesome! I'm still alive!
Pretty zombie medals.
Thanks, kid. Really great work. See if you can get anyone else out.
Be careful.
Look out! Incoming!
Whoa, zombies suck dick at driving. Your license should be revoked, bro!
I'll rip out your taint!
Oh, great. This isn't gonna be as easy as I thought. Hey, perv! Don't be looking at my skirt! Just don't move. I'll take care of him. No big whoop.
Great. See one more. I got it. All right.
We got a river in A's.
Watch out!
Come on, get away from me!
Hold on, I'm coming!
My favorite president is Warren G. Harding. Fuck off! Get away!
It's so rad to save somebody's life.
Well, we got these ones, but I see a whole group of these undead bastards incoming. Meet me up ahead.
Stay away! No! Stay back! Get back!
Fuck off! Get away!
Stop it! Looking good. Kick ass! Okay! Cool! Woohoo! Your goal.
Speed is for suckers.
Fantastic job, kid.
Glad you made it, pilot dude!
Where's the beast?
Hold on, this is too dangerous. I'll meet you in the square.
Yummy, yummy, yummy flesh.
Jesus God! Get off me, you bastard! Oh shit! Tell my wife
Oh no! He crashed over by the school and is probably dead! Just a second.
Hey, it's Mom, Juliet. Hope you're taking care of yourself. Don't do anything stupid, okay?
Wow, now is the perfect time to do some shopping! I wonder what they have. What should I get? Let's go! Yum!
Decontaminate! Decontaminate!
Hey, respect people's property. Oh, Nick, please be okay. Nick? Nick, are you here? It's okay to come out. Nick? Oh, please.
Juliet!
I'm so hungry.
Ah! Ow! Shit!
Are you okay, Juliet?
Yes, Are you?
One bit me. Just a little bit. I don't know what that means. What does that mean?
Oh, no. It can't be.
I feel it in me. I'm gonna become one, huh? Fuck! I'm screwing up your birthday, aren't I? I'm sorry, Juliet. I don't want to fuck up your birthday.
My birthday? Don't worry about that. That's the dumbest thing ever.
Listen, I know it's stupid. We just started getting serious, but I wanted you to know. I know I've never said it or anything, but I kind of sort of, you know, love you. Oh, I fucking love you. Oh.
Nick. No. There's something we can try. It's the only chance we have to save you.
Juliet? What the fuck?
I love you too, baby.